Welcome back, house fans. This is the weekly challenge, paying people to shoot my spares. This week we got Brandon Bonta, fresh off of Junior Team USA camp. So he's gonna be hopefully ready to make a lot of spares and shoot a couple splits for me, and we'll see how much money he can rack up. Just like last week, 10 bucks for a spare, 25 for a made split, and probably, just maybe, there'll be a little special something at the end of the video. He's not a youth bowler, don't worry, we can still lose money. Here we go, once again, losing money by having people shoot my spares. As you can see by the shirt, I don't like shooting spares. Oh, that's a strike.
That'd be good. All right.
I figured if I try and go through the face every time, I'm gonna split a couple times.
Well, I hope you don't.
I have to. I don't know if I've been working out or if this shirt just feels tight on me.
You're just getting ripped?
Uh-oh.
In the bag.
Good spare, whatever.
Count it.
Cha-ching!
Let's go. First one was a little nervous.
A little nervous on the first one?
A little nervous. But made it, so we're fine.
It's like that first shot.
Oh yeah.
First shot of the match, you know? Just sometimes
Adrenaline's racing.
Sometimes it just gets a little harder. All of a sudden you 3-7. Speaking of 3-7, I'm calling it right here. Oh, that's a split through the face.
Woo, baby, more of those, please and thank you. Throw another good one there.
Cracking off a 10-pound house ball. Can't be striking too often. Oh. That 10-pin's gotta stand.
I knew your hand was up. Think so.
Put my hand down, I guess. All right, we still have yet to see anybody miss a 5-pin on the channel so far. That isn't named Packy Hammerhead. Should I go even further right? Yeah. Ooh. This is tough because that's way easier for you than it is for me. Are you gonna hook at this or go straight?
It's a great question. I'm going to hook at it.
Pretty toasty out there, kind of hard.
I'm gonna hook at it.
You're gonna hook at it?
I'm gonna hook at it.
Oh.
Yes.
I mean, it's racking it up.
Come on.
100% so far. I need to leave harder spares.
Have to.
I need to split. I think that's the only way that you're gonna miss.
Just give me some good. I'm ready. I'm dialed right now.
Brooklyn. Oh, that's a tough one for him. I obviously have no idea what my ball is doing because if any of you guys heard what I said, my ball was about at that first tracer and I said, Brooklyn, Brooklyn. And then it didn't hook at all.
Let's see about this one.
Are you gonna hook at this one or go straight?
I'm throwing it straight.
Oh my God.
I'm a lunatic, kind of.
Oh.
Come on. Is that 5 for 5? Oh,
It's 5. What I'm realizing after watching those last 2 spare shots is that I should start practicing my spares more often because both of those were misses for me. You had the confidence to throw straight at that? Me? I'm hooking it every time.
Well, I don't know the last time I shot this spare, so just flipped a coin in my head if I was going to throw straight.
Heads or tails, straight. All right, let's go back to that Brooklyn lineup. Ah.
Okay, here we go.
Oh. Per rules, just like last week, 10 bucks for a spare, but this one, 25 on the make. Are you going straight or hooking at
That's
it?
a big shot. Well, I have to flip the coin in my head again, so, you know, I'm a little baby hook, I think.
A little baby hook? A little 10-pin with a little sauce on it?
Yeah, maybe.
Oh!
God.
That was close.
That was the big money one. I had to make that one.
I'm thinking maybe if that was a reactive ball, yeah, maybe you would have spared it, but also I think I should probably just leave him single pins because that was way too close. I can't be losing that much money. Or can I? Let's do it again.
Okay. The trick.
Thought that was a strike. Got nervous. Easy spare here. Just like the last spare shot.
Exactly.
Same thing.
Exactly. Come on.
It's aggressive.
That was.
Oh man, it's pumped. I think I'm gonna try and split again. I'm gonna try and go light. One more time. Not enough, too much rotation. Not an easy spare, again. Like at least these ones, last couple frames have been harder for the righties. The double wood on the right side, impossible. 3-7, obviously, you know, a split. Like how often do you shoot this? Like once a tournament?
Maybe, yeah. Depends on how bad I'm bowling.
Couple like whiff the head pin lefts.
Oh yeah. The bad thing is I don't know if I should curve at this or not. Oh no.
That's what I like to see.
No.
Need some warm up for that strike shot. $60. Okay. I can afford that if you guys subscribe to the channel right now. With that, you get a chance to win a bowling ball at 70,000 subscribers. So hopefully we're right on that edge right now. So at 70K, we're giving away that Darren Tang signed
I just want to try to make.
Oh, I was close to another split. That's what I'm saying. That's what I'm saying. I'm lined up this week to leave some hard ones.
I just missed the 136, so.
So if you throw that exact same
And then now I
shot,
have to
this
shoot
one's
this.
a make.
Well, I just hit 3-9 shooting straight, so let's see if this works again.
I hope you get 2. 3-9 by itself.
Oh, off the wall! That's why you throw fast.
I would never get that break. I only get that break on strike shots. Here we go. 3-7, come on. Oh boy, that's. All right, here's my deal. Here's my deal for you. If you strike, what are you at? What are you at right now? 80? I already struck one, so I don't want to leave you a spare. That'd be lame. I'll let you strike to try and double if you want, or we can just play this frame out.
No, I'll strike.
If you don't strike,
I lose it all.
you lose it all.
You know, double or nothing. I've thrown a total of 2 strike balls warming up, so this should be interesting.
Hold on a second. Hold on a second. Just.
We're in
I'll give you
ball?
one more rule. If you split, I'll also allow you to pick it up.
Okay.
To keep your money.
Fair. Okay. Bet.
Good luck. Thank you. Good luck. It's on second ball. You better re-rack it again.
Trying to ice me.
Dude, listen, I've given you a couple lineup shots at the strike.
That is true.
Chance. Oh! Okay.
I'll get the next spare.
I'll give you one more. But if you shoot this, and if you can wiggle it, so you got to wiggle it, but not knock it over.
So I just got to breeze by.
Same rules, double. I'll let you double your money, but you got to just breeze by it. We got a slow-mo camera down lane. Don't worry.
Ah,
That was really close.
a mile and a half is close. Better luck next time.
Yeah, maybe we'll have you on again. You know, it seems like you way less expensive than Colton, so we like that. He'll be back. He cost us nothing, which is what we like to see. So he'll be back on the channel.
Have to. I need to make.
College kids these days, you know, they need a little extra dough. Are we ready?